Let's grow your Shopify store with #1 customer service automation app. Connecting multiple stores. Desku allows the Shopify vendors to connect their multiple stores so they can support customers of all the stores from a single place. Adding a store here is as easy as one-time authorization. Live chat feature. Desku provides a fully customizable and easy-to-install live chat widget for your Shopify store. Customers can then easily connect with a support person or a bot. Order management. Desku also provides the Shopify vendors to view and manage the orders. Desku can let you create paid orders and also allows you to draft unpaid orders. Refunding the order is a matter of only 3 clicks. Customer change his mind? No worries, you can edit the order. You can duplicate or cancel the order as well. Change of delivery address? You can do that too. Time-saving macros. The macro feature will save your day when you want to perform multiple actions repeatedly. Just define the tasks you want to perform, and Desku will do all of them for you in just a few clicks. Easy Survey Builder. The Survey Builder in Desku provides interactive options to create engaging surveys, to which visitors can easily respond. It also provides response insights. Knowledgebase. Desku provides dedicated space to provide knowledge-base articles for customers' ease. SEO-friendly articles can be created with a fully fledged rich text editor. Visitors can easily find them right here in the live chat widget. Bot recipes. You can create a simple bot recipe to allow your customers to check their order status anytime. All they need to provide is order ID and delivery postal code. In-chat product display. With a simple bot recipe, you can show specific products to the visitors right inside the chat widget. Eyecatcher widget. Eyecatcher is an addition to Desku's live chat widget. Define the target audience criteria, and the Eyecatcher will show up at the right time for the right audience. Eyecatcher has multiple options, including a message initiation. Dynamic variables. With dynamic Shopify variables, you can send personalized messages based on specific conditions. Start using Desku to elevate your Shopify experience.